Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to free up space in your Gmail app by deleting unnecessary spam mail in your Gmail account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Gmail app. So I'm going to click on here, open up my Gmail app. Then having opened up your Gmail app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon. The next thing you need to do is to go to storage. The next thing you need to do is to click on clean up space. That's going to take you right here. Then simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you choose Gmail. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to select spam mails. Then you have all spam mails section right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Having select everything, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Then make sure you click on here. Then click on permanently delete. Then click on this plus sign here to close the pop-up. Then you still have more right here. You can scroll down and see every spam mail you have in your inbox. So just like so. So what I'm going to do next is to simply click on here again to select all. Then you can scroll down and see if I'm going to get more. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here. Then I'm going to click on here. Then click on permanent delete. Then I'm going to close this pop-up. You can see right here, no spam emails to delete anymore. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply delete spam mail in order to free up more space, more storage in your Gmail app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.